Have you been wondering how to use doTERRA's Digestzen Essential Oil? In this video, I'm going to talk all about what is doTERRA's Digestzen Essential Oil good for and how to use it, and share some of my favorite facts about this essential oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 10 years, and I'm really excited to share with you all about Digestzen Essential Oil. This is a great oil for any type of gut support that you're looking for. Stick around to the end and you will have the chance to access my free Essential Oils Made Easy class. And you can have the chance to access my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Now, before I jump into this video, I always love to hear from my followers your favorite way to use Digestzen. So go ahead and drop that in the comments below. Digestzen Essential Oil is our digestive blend, and it was specifically formulated to help when you're at home or at work or even traveling. With so many digestive health benefits, Digestzen quickly received the name of the Tummy Tamer blend. Digestzen is infused with ginger, fennel, coriander, cardamom, anise, caraway, and peppermint essential oils, which combine together to help ease occasional stomach discomfort. It also helps to maintain healthy gastrointestinal tracts, and it aids in our digestion. This powerful blend can be used aromatically, it can be used topically, and even internally, and it's great for at-home or on-the-go uses. For those who are prone to motion sickness, Digestzen can also be used to diminish feelings of queasiness and occasional stomach upset. Digestzen provides a safe and natural way to assist in digestive health. So whenever you need it, you just grab it and you can use it. So what is Digestzen used for? So for those of you who are prone to motion sickness, Digestzen can also be used to diminish feelings of queasiness and occasional stomach upset. Digestzen provides a safe and natural way to assist in digestive health. So you can grab this oil and use it whenever you need. So here are 3 usage tips for Digestzen. The first one is you can rub this on your stomach before flying or for a calming aroma. You can also keep a bottle in your car for a soothing massage during road trips. And you can use this oil after a large meal. You can either put a drop in your water or once again, you can just rub this on your abdomen. So for occasional stomach discomfort, this is a great one to help soothe the esophagus and your stomach by just adding a drop to your water. doTERRA's Digestzen Essential Oil is also found in doTERRA's Digestzen Soft Gels, Digestzen Touch, which is a pre-diluted roll-on, and our Digest tabs. To purchase Digestzen or one of my starter kits, go ahead and check the description below. Okay, it's freebie time. You made it to the end. And that means that I want to give you access to my free Essential Oils Made Easy class. You can watch it live with us, or you can jump on and watch the recorded version. To access that, go ahead and click the link in the description below. I'm also excited to give you a chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with common uses and more for over 100 essential oils. Go ahead and find that in the description below as well. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you like this content. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I do have hundreds of other essential oil videos. You can go ahead and check those out. I will put links to them at the end of this video. And if you are interested in getting your essential oils at 25% off, go ahead and contact me. My information is in the comments below. Talk to you all soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.